Edexcel C2, 2014, question 10. It looks like a differentiation modelling question. And we've got a letterbox with attached to a wall house, really. The letterbox is in a right prism, length y, that one. The base is a rectangle. The total surface area of the 6 faces of the prism is S. The cross section is that one, and the volume is 9.6. So we need to show that y equals this. All right, and we need to use the 9.6. And then we're going to minimize the surface area to make this letterbox. Okay, so volume is equal to the surface area or the cross-sectional area of a prism times its depth. So it's area A, B, C, D times y, and that's equal to 9,600. So area is half the sum of the parallel sides times the distance between them. So half times 4x times 9x plus 6x times y equals 9.6. So y equals 9.6 times by 2, which gets rid of times by half over here, divided by 4x, 15x, and that's equal to, well, we've got to show that really. So it's 19,200 divided by 60x squared. And if we divide 19.2 by 60, I'm guessing we're going to get 320. 19,200 divided by 60 equals 320. So that's equal to 320 over 6 over, no, we got rid of the 60, x squared as required. I'm running out of space there. Hence show that the area is given by this. So area S is given by, we've got 2 trapeziums front and back, and we just worked out the area of them. So area of S is equal to 2 times the half, 4x, 15x, plus, so we've got the wraparound bit. And when we open up that wraparound bit, we've got a rectangle, which, if you like, is A, D, H, E. So that length is y. The height is 9. Then we got this bit, which is H, G, C. And that's the slanty bit. So this is 5x. That was 9x's. Then we got the 6x for that part, which is FB, and so that's 6x, and then we've got the 4x bit, which is the bottom look, so that will be B goes to A and F goes to E, so we get a rectangle look. The dimensions of the rectangle are 9x times y time plus 5x plus 6x plus this bit, which is 4x. So we've got plus 9x times y plus 5x. No, we haven't. That's y, and this is 9x. So we've got y there, 9x here, plus 5x plus 6x plus 4x. And the whole area is 2 times half goes away, 4x, 60x squared, plus y times 9, 14, 24x, which is equal to 60x squared plus this one, 320 over x squared. So what we've done is substitute for y times 24x. That x and one of those goes away, and so we've got 60x squared plus, guess what 320 times 24 is? Could it be 7680? 320 times 24, 7680 over x Use calculus to find the minimum value of s. Okay, so we're going to differentiate s with respect to x. So I'm going to write that as x minus 1. And when we differentiate it, we get times by the power reduced the power by 1. So for part C, ds by dx is equal to 120x times by minus 1. So take away 7680 and reduce the power by 1. X to the minus 2. And equals 0 at a turning point. And the turning point we want will turn out to be a minimum, bet ya. Right, so if this is equal to 0, then 120x is equal to 7680 over x squared. So multiply the x up becomes, or the x squared up becomes x cubed, equals 7680 divided by 120. Do you reckon that's going to be a cube number? Divided by 120 equals 64. Gives us that x is equal to 4. And that'll be centimeters, I think. 4 centimeters. Does that make sense for a letterbox? Y would be 4, no, y was this one, 320 divided by 16, 20, that would be 20 centimeters. This would be 4 fours, 16, that's a 20. This height would be 6 fours is 24, that's right, 9, that would be 36. Yeah, that's about right for a letterbox. So that's the value of x, which gives us a minimum value of s. So min s will be, substitute 4 into this equation here. So 60 lots of 4 squared plus 7680 divided by 4, and that's equal to, so 60 times 16 is 960, plus 4 into that is 1920, so that's 2880 centimeters squared. And it's min if d2s by dx squared is bigger than 0 when x is 4. So d2s by dx squared means differentiate ds by dx. So differentiate this, the power of this one is 1, so that's 120 times the 1, reduce this power to 0, and anything to the power of 0 is 1, so we're left with 120. We're going to double that one and change the sign, so plus 15,360 divided by x cubed, and at x equals 4, d2s by dx squared equals 120 plus 15,360 divided by 64, that's bigger than 0, therefore a minimum. That's all we need to do. What have we got? Well, the question is 2, 4, 6, 12, 14 marks. Wow.